What is Visual C++? What is Microsoft Visual Studio? So we have latest Microsoft Visual Studio 19. So I just want to show you here that this is Microsoft Visual C++. There are certain redistributable for the 32-bit and the 64-bit machine. And what you see here is these kind of redistributable are very important when you are using certain programs, because they will give you some error. This DLL is missing, that is missing, and that will be only fixed when you actually install these, because these are very specific redistributable of Microsoft Visual C++. So Microsoft Visual C++ is a compiler for C, C++, and CX programming language by Microsoft. So this is a compiler, Microsoft Visual C++. So MSVC, Microsoft Visual C, is a proprietary software. Previously it was made standalone, but later it became a part of Visual Studio and made available in terms of trialware and freeformware, because you get 30 days you can use it, Microsoft Visual C++. Now this is I'm just showing you the screen of Microsoft Visual Studio. Because Microsoft Visual C++ or Microsoft Visual Studio is an integrated development environment where you can use it to create Windows application in C, C++, CLI, that is command line programming languages. So this now, because Visual C++ is already there in Visual Studio, you can directly use Visual Studio. So Microsoft Visual Studio is an IDE, integrated development environment from the Microsoft. It is used to develop various programs. You can also make websites. We can use the web apps, mobile apps, the web services. So there are so many options you can do here.